Hi guys, and welcome to Backrest Online. In this video I'd like to go over the assembly of the Senator Executive Ergonomic Chair. So we've got the components here. They obviously come boxed. This chair is made here in Australia, so we manufacture it in our own facility, and I've just taken them out of the box and just laid them out to make it easy for you to see the components. So we have the seat, and obviously this chair has arms. You can order it without arms, but these arms are attached when they come, so I thought I'd just show you exactly how it comes out of the box. You've got your backrest here, you've got some casters, and you have a gas lift, and then you have the gas lift cover and your base. So it's very, very simple to assemble. We'll start with the base, just taking off these protective covers. Now with the base, I would normally put it upside down, open up your casters, and push your casters in with the base upside down. Just makes it a lot easier, and you can wobble it around a little bit until they click in. Now I've got a little circlet at the top on this spindle that clicks in to the base. Very easy to fit, as you can see. So there we have our base with the casters fitted. Now we just go ahead and put the gas lift into the base. This is a tapered fit, so obviously once you've put it in to the base, it'll wedge in, lock in with pressure on top of the gas lift from the seat and sitting on it. It'll lock into position. We have the dust cover or gas bellow cover, and that just goes over the gas lift like so. Very simple. Now if we lift up our seat, and we can see that under here we have penetration. That's where the gas lift goes in. So we just line that up, pop that on top. You can push down it a little bit to lock it into position. And there we go. We have the seat on. And then we just come to the backrest. Now this just slides into the backrest section here with the adjustment. And it's very simple. Slide it in, down a position, and then turn, I'll just spin this round. This back adjustment knob, you just tighten that up, and that locks the backrest into position. So there we go. That's how simple it is to assemble the Senator chair. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thanks very much for watching.